Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by placing clean, editable text over your image. First, open the file and unlock the background layer if needed. This lets transparency show through. Then select the Type tool T, pick a bold, readable font and size for a clear cutout, and type your words. Make sure the text layer sits above the artwork and is raster-free. Keep it as a type layer so you can edit. Once done, align or nudge the text to the exact position you want to punch through. Next, you'll use a selection to remove pixels underneath the letters. If you plan on non-destructive editing, don't rasterize the text. Instead, Ctrl/CMD-click the type layer thumbnail to load the letter shapes as a selection. Then select the image layer beneath, invert the selection if needed so the letters are targeted, and add a layer mask. This will mask the image inside the glyphs, creating transparent text. Make sure the mask is linked, and to finish, check the result by hiding background layers. The cutout should show transparency. Export as PNG to preserve alpha or save a PSD to keep layers. If edges look hard or pixelated, make the mask active and paint with a soft brush, or use Select Modify Smooth/Feather to soften. If the mask hides the wrong area, Alt/Option click the mask to view and paint white to reveal or black to hide. If things go wrong, undo the mask and repeat using the selection steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.